Hello friends, a 6 years old boy was in the market with his 4 years old sister. Suddenly the boy found that his sister was lagging behind. He stopped and looked back. His sister was standing in front of a toy shop and was watching something with a great interest. The boy went back to her and asked her, "Do you want something?" The sister pointed at the doll. The boy held her hand and, like a responsible elder brother, gave the doll to her. The sister was very happy. The shopkeeper was watching everything and getting amused to see mature behavior of the boy. Now the boy came to the counter and asked the shopkeeper, "What is the cost of this doll, sir?" The shopkeeper was a cool man and had experienced the art of life. So he asked the boy with a lot of love and affection, "Well, what can you pay?" So the boy took out all the shells that he had collected from the seashore from his pocket and gave them to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper took the shells and started counting as if he were counting the currency. Then he looked at the boy. The boy asked him worriedly, "Is it less?" The shopkeeper said, No, there are more than the cost, so I will return the remaining." Saying so, he kept only 4 shells with him and returned the remaining. So the boy very happily kept those shells back in his pocket and went away with his sister. The servant in that shop got very surprised watching all those things. He asked his master, "Sir, you gave away such a costly doll just for 4 shells." So the shopkeeper said with a smile, "Well, for us these are the very merry shells, but for that boy, these shells are very precious, and at this age he does not understand what money is, but when he will grow up, that definitely he will. So and he would remember that he purchased a doll with the shells interesting of money instead of money. He will remember me and think that world is full of good people." It will help him develop a positive attitude, and he took into the turn will feel motivated to get good. Whatever emotion you infuse into the world, but it will be future of spread. If you do good, goodness will spread. If you do bad, negative will spread. So realize you are the very powerful source of energy. Your good or bad will come back to magnified and in the way of you want, and it will probably not in the way you understand it, but it will come back definitely. So may your each passing day and bless in abundance. So thank you my friends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.